In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Node tool in Affinity Designer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to convert a basic shape into editable curves and then adjust its corners to create custom designs. First, open Affinity Designer on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're in a document where you can work, whether that's a new blank canvas or an existing project you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, create a new document with your preferred size so you have space to experiment. Once your document is ready, look over to your toolbar and choose any basic shape you'd like to edit. This could be a rectangle, a circle, a star, or any other preset shape available in the Tools panel. Click the Shape tool, then click and drag on your canvas to draw the shape. It doesn't have to be perfect at this stage because we're going to reshape it using the Node tool. Next, click on the shape you just created to make sure it's selected. You should see a bounding box or handles appear around it. This confirms that Affinity Designer recognizes it as the active object you're working on. It's important that the shape is selected before moving on, otherwise the next commands won't apply. With the shape selected, right-click on it using your mouse. This will open a context menu with several options related to that object. Take a moment to look through the menu so you get familiar with what's available, but for now, we're interested in the option that will let us edit the underlying structure of the shape. From that right-click menu, choose the option labeled Convert to Curves. This step is crucial. Before you convert, the shape is treated as a parametric object, which means it has limited preset controls. After you convert it to curves, the shape is transformed into a path made up of nodes and segments. This gives you much more freedom to customize it. Once the shape has been converted to curves, switch to the node tool if it isn't already active. Now, when you click on the shape, you'll see individual nodes around its outline, usually sitting at the corners and key points of the shape. These nodes are what you'll be working with to change the form. At this point, you can drag its corners to reshape it, hover over any node on a corner until your cursor changes, then click and drag. As you move the node, you'll see the line segments connected to it update in real time. This is how you can pull out corners, pinch them in, or completely alter the silhouette of the shape. Try dragging different corners and notice how each change affects the overall design. Some nodes may also have handles that extend from them. These control the curve leading into and out of that node. By dragging the node itself and its handles, you can create smooth curves or sharp angles depending on the look you want. Take your time experimenting with different corners and positions. With just these simple actions, opening Affinity Designer, selecting a shape, converting it to curves, and then dragging its corners, you've unlocked a powerful way to customize shapes using the Node tool.